Hello kids, let's learn two weeks name. Sunday, Monday, it's Hindi and English. First color name, black color, green color, light pink color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, blue color, pink color, orange color and light green color. Kids, week's name. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. N O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somawar. T U E S T A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Kids, repeat week's name. Sunday, Ravivar. Monday, Somawar. Tuesday, Mangalwar. Wednesday, Budhwar. Thursday, Guruvar. Friday, Shukrar. Saturday, Shanivar. If this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.